Today, I'll show you how to mark an email as high priority in Gmail. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Gmail does not use the same traditional high priority send option that some other email services have. Instead, Gmail uses importance markers, stars, and tools like Priority Inbox to highlight important messages. Google says you can manually mark messages as important, search for messages marked as important with his colon important, and use Priority Inbox to organize them more clearly. If you want to mark an email you received as high priority, open Gmail on your computer and look for the small importance marker next to the message. Google explains that important emails show a yellow importance marker, and if the marker is empty, you can click it to mark the message as important yourself. That also helps Gmail learn which emails matter most to you over time. Now, if your goal is to make your inbox treat important emails more clearly, you can turn on Priority Inbox. Google says you can do this in Gmail on the web by opening Settings, then see All Settings, going to the Inbox tab, and changing the inbox type to Priority Inbox. After that, Gmail can separate important messages from the rest, which makes high priority emails easier to spot. You can also add a star to a message if you want an extra visual reminder. Google says starring an email helps you mark it as important so you remember to look at it later, and you can find starred emails again by opening the starred section or searching for is colon starred. Now let's talk about emails you send. Gmail does not offer a normal built-in high priority flag for outgoing mail like Outlook. A practical workaround, reflected in Google's own user guidance, is to make the importance clear in the subject line by adding something like urgent, action needed, or reply by today. You can also create labels and filters for incoming mail if you want certain senders or topics to stand out automatically. So, in simple terms, use the importance marker to mark messages as important, use stars for extra visibility, and turn on Priority Inbox if you want Gmail to sort high priority emails more clearly. That is the closest Gmail has to a high priority email system, and that's how to mark an email as high priority in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.